Hi everyone, we are already enjoying some of that summer sunshine here in the London office today, and this is bringing us some really good positive vibes, perfect for some new beginnings. I don't know about you, but good weather makes me feel more inspired and creative, and I hope the offers I have to share with you now will encourage you to keep sharing and growing your young living business. Enrollments are key to successfully growing your team, and with long summer days ahead of us, so many activities are happening around us that there's ample opportunity to share your passion and young living with so many others. So let's see what we have in our June enrollment promotions to support you to grow your business this month. To talk about the first fabulous offer, let's get into the zone for just 1 second. Introducing our latest beach essential, the natural 100% cotton canvas beach bag. Crafted with care and designed for style, this versatile tote is your perfect companion for sunny days by the sea. And you will receive this by enrolling one new brand partner with 100 PV on loyalty rewards or with a one-time order. Made from premium quality natural canvas, our beach bag is not only durable but also eco-friendly, reflecting our commitment to sustainability. You can carry all of your beach essentials effortlessly, from towels to your sunscreen, of course our wonderful SPF gel, to your lavender. It's never been easier to be organized while you're heading outside. It's got ample space, it's got a convenient pocket on the inside, so beyond its practicality, you can use this all summer round, whether it's on the beach or just heading outdoors. It's just so lightweight, easy to carry. It's an epitome of both style and functionality. Join the movement towards sustainable fashion and elevate your beach days with our natural canvas beach bag. Those of you who enroll 2 new brand partners will get this wonderful beach bag and Tranquil roll-on. Tranquil Essential Roll-on is a beautiful blend of lavender, cedarwood, and Roman chamomiles, a fragrance that promotes a calm, serene, and peaceful atmosphere. It can be great to use after a long day of work or to include in your bedtime routine, especially after a full-on summer day of adventure. With 5 new brand partner enrollments, with our Help Buy promotion, you will receive Transformation Essential Oil Blend, as well as this great beach bag and the Tranquil roll-on. Transformation Essential Oil Blend combines 9 essential oils listed below, and for me, it's a blend that really promotes great feelings of hope and joy. Summer is a great time to empower yourself with positivity and a sense of self-awareness, and this is a great tool to support you on your way. Now, the great reveal. We have something unbelievably special for those of you who will continue to enroll 10 new brand partners this month of June. Not only do you get the beach bag, the Tranquil roll-on, and the transformation oil, you will also get something truly wonderful. This will help you ensure you have a home that is safe and healthy, a haven for you and your family, not just for the summer, but all year round. So, what can this be? How about a year's supply of some of our most loved these range of products? What does this look like? Well, here it is. We have dental products, we have our foaming hand soap, we have the Thieves household cleaners, the laundry soap, the washing up liquid, we have the spray for on-the-go perfect cleaning, and last but not least, we of course have our signature Thieves Essential Oil Blend. Truly an epic month with our enrollment promotions for June. So don't forget, when you're out in the sun enjoying those special moments with your loved ones, share the business opportunity, share your passion, share your story, and have an incredible business month ahead.